I can't can't go down the stairs. Ah, this is so annoying. Okay. What the hell? That's just crazy.
Now I'm just gonna eat and then head straight to the border.
No, I've gotten some food. So let's try to get to the border. Now it's really getting hot. It's 33 degrees. Now I'm boiling. This is apparently Albania, Montenegro. It's like an Albanian enclave, or what's the word? Like an Albanian part of Montenegro. And here people speak Serbian, not Montenegrin. I don't think it's too different, but it's interesting. So this is supposed to be a nature reserve bordering Montenegro and Albania. And according to the map, this is supposed to be a big lake. It doesn't look like it. Looks like wetlands, but is it dried up or is it supposed to be like this? Yeah, slaughter goons under the moonlight. John Wilkes, that's who I'm in the booth like. Hey bruh, I go ham for dead presidents and everything I record is over your head like a boom mic. Why? Would you irrelevant fucks wanna rebel against us, knowing you Smith & Wesson and never been clutched? Ah, here it looks like a lake. A wetlands and a lake. Beautiful. I think this is like a bird reservoir. It's a reservoir? No. Bird reserve? Or tetriders. I think I'm closing in on the border. I think the border goes in the middle of the water here. Yeah, here's the border. Okay. Now let's hope this goes well without any issues. It's a long queue. Oh, wish they had some shade. Oh, it is so hot. 2 more tetriders behind me. Well, this will probably be the most silly shit that I've ever said. God bless the dead and the big givers as the pencil led. They called me a sped and said that I had a messed up head because I said motherfuck school and instead went to special ed. I've got some bird's nest in the roof. Hello. Thank you. Well, then I'm out of Montenegro. Now let's see if I make it into Albania. Go. Okay. Okay. Was that border then, or was that just customs? The border is over here. Now I'm a bit confused. This is the guy selling phone things. Am I in Albania now, or I'm a bit confused. They didn't stamp me in or anything? Well, I guess welcome to Albania then. My 50th country. That's pretty cool. I'm a bit confused. They stamped me out of Montenegro, but not into Albania. Oh, I guess I'm in Albania. Okay. Well, I hope they let me out of the country. I'll deal with the next border issue if there is one. But now I've decided that I'm going to head a little bit north to a place called Puka, where I found an Airbnb. I guess I also now need to find an ATM of some sort, or an exchange of some sort, because now I don't have any money. They use leka, or leke, I think it's called, the currency here in Albania, and I don't have any leke. Leke means toy or play in Norwegian. Some really nice hotels and restaurants. This place seems to be like a resort area, because everywhere along the road here you have like these types of resorts. Some are huge mansions and some are smaller, but is this a popular holiday destination? For who? Another one, Konak. Looks very nice inside here. It's like they're beautiful, but I see almost no people. This is really nice. Like every house has a farm in their backyard or front yard, I guess. Corn. Seems like they each of them are growing different things, and I bet that like during harvest they just trade so that everyone has a little bit of everything. That's pretty cool. And everyone seems to have huge houses. Interesting. This is the gas station. So it was 2,000, not 2,200. Okay, thank you. He just stole 200 leke from me. So I filled for exactly 2,000, and he put in 2,200. Huh. I don't like that. But what the hell? I don't want to start arguing either. The hell is kind of gas station is this? Just someone's house? There's like a bed in there and everything. What the hell? 200 leke. That's, I think it's about €2. They stole 2 euro from me. I think €1 is about like 105 leke or something like that. It's not like a huge amount, but still, that's annoying. Just because I'm a tourist and an idiot, I don't want to be swindled, even if it's just €2. The guy yesterday, I overpaid quite a lot for the food at the restaurant after the set yesterday. What the hell? But that I didn't mind that much. This guy was super nice. He gave me excellent service, and I could see that he didn't really have much, and so it was like, okay, but like this is like a gas station. I don't want to pay more for gas than I need to. Okay. Well, now I am heading up towards the mountains here at some point. Not sure exactly when the road turns, but I have about an hour and a half left to ride to get to Puka, and then I hope that Airbnb responds to me and approves me. That's a cool car. This kind of reminds me a little bit of Morocco. It's like, it looks very similar to Morocco. There's the shops, people selling things on the streets, people on bicycles carrying all kinds of stuff, like these types of hole-in-the-wall shops. If you just dropped me here, I wouldn't be able to tell the difference, I think. So now I think I'm about to take off from along the coast, along the lake, and head up in the mountains. Here. Now I'm heading north. It's gonna be interesting. I'm a little bit worried that I don't have any cash. Hopefully that doesn't cause any problems for me. So, tourist bus down here. Wow, this is beautiful. This is pretty nice. Beautiful. Now I'm starting to climb. We're going up. Up, up, up. It's a nice valley. Very steep. Wow, look at that view. Oh, that's amazing. That looks like a rain cloud. I don't like those dark clouds. Damn! That's beautiful. It feels like it's starting to rain. I'm feeling some raindrops, and I see some dark clouds. I really hope it doesn't start raining, but it only looks like there's like a in one area. Now I'm in Phuket. This was the area that I was going to. What the hell is that? Cool vehicle. Now I just need to find a place to look for internet so I can check if my Airbnb was approved or not. I really... the fuck?
She just confirmed. So I have a place to stay for tonight, but it's about half an hour or so away. Now it just started raining, so I think I'm just gonna stay here and see if it stops soon. I just hope her internet is good enough to do what I need to do. That's my concern. Oh wow, it's thundering.
Yesterday it was a great show here.
Yeah?
Because I'm dancer, traditional dancer.
You're a dancer?
Yeah,
So there's a dance show here?
yeah, and there's a custom traditional dance. If you see something special in kind of heritage show.
That would have been fun to see. I don't want to go riding in the rain again. I've had enough of rain now. So I think I'll just wait here for a bit and wait out the rain. It looks like it's clearing up a little bit, so let's get back on the road and head to Faji. Me and things. I read it and then I have no idea how to pronounce it and I just forget it. Ashfashi or something like that.
Nice. At the restaurant. Telling me a little bit about the town here. And that most people in Albania. What? This is not a road. The hell? Can't go there. Okay. Well, he said that most people in Albania speak Italian because it used to be communists, and the fascists had a lot of influence here. It was interesting. That guy used to be in the army, and he was an interpreter, Albanian to Italian interpreter in the army. He was working 2 jobs, working as a dancer and as a waiter, making about €200 a month in each job. €400 a month. That's not a lot of money. Albania is cheap, but it's not that cheap. I feel very lucky to be able to do what I'm doing now, travel and experience what I'm experiencing. Because €400 a month salary is barely surviving. Wow, look at this view. This is insane. It's foggy. It's interesting because you can see like the sun has been bearing down all day and it's been really hot. The asphalt has been hot. And now the rain shower, you can see the asphalt is smoking. It's kind of cool. There's so many of these like monuments everywhere. I wonder what they're from or for. Fusha Ares. So welcome to Fusha Ares. It's kind of annoying now. It's been such nice weather for so long, but now it looked like it was just like a small cloud. But when the rain now kicked in, it's just it looks like it's gonna stay this way for a bit. I hope it stops before I get back on the road. Wow, yeah, it's been really raining. Looking at a bridge. Huh. Yep. I would put my rain suit on now normally, but I'm only 2 minutes away from the town. So, wow, look at these little waterfalls coming up the mountain there. That's beautiful. Huh, that's a lot of water. What the hell? I think is it here? Is it this building? It's supposed to be here somewhere? Well, there's a fire truck. That's a fire station. Holy crap! Well, when it's raining here, it's really raining. What the hell? Must be... Okay, let's try to hide a little bit under the roof here. Or... Oh. Shit, I wasn't expecting it to start raining like this. Okay, this is a bit crazy. Like, the sky is just opening up. I don't want to move from here now. I'm only like 2 minutes away. 1 minute away. But I don't have internet. Let's slow it down a little bit. Let's try this now. Oh. These stones are really slippery. I think this is the center. I think the Google showed it was like here somewhere. I don't see any place where it could be. Look at this. Look at all the water coming down from the mountain here. Huh. Damn. Now I'm out of town again. I gotta go back. I don't know where to go now. I need to find some internet. Policia Bashi. This is a police car? Okay. Okay, let me just walk in the restaurant and ask for internet.
Hello.
Hi.
You hotel?
I'm looking for a place.
You hotel?
Huh?
Hotel?
Yeah.
Yes, come here.
But no, I have booked.
Go.
Yeah, I'm looking for this address. Do you have internet here?
Yes.
Is this the internet? Ugh, my fingers don't work. I'm too wet.
Vegan?
What the hell? Thank you so much. Thank you. Huh? No. It's Airbnb.
Dadania?
Her name is Margarita.
Margarita? Pusharas? Is it Margarita Pusharas?
Ah, they're calling me.
You know the place?
No, I don't know exactly where it is.
French? Speaking French?
No, I speak English or Spanish. So, I think I have to go back here. This was tricky to find. It's really hard when I have no internet. How did people do these things back in the day, before internet? I don't know. I remember traveling before internet was, or like 5G and stuff like that was a thing. And I don't know. I don't know how people managed to get anywhere before. Struggling around with paper maps and stuff in the rain like this. That's a nightmare. Okay, this has been an interesting day. First on the Tet in scorching weather, and then hi doggy. I go up or down? Now the rain is just pressing everything on my phone too. Hi, you're beautiful. Somewhere here, it's supposed to be. Seriously? Are you fucking kidding me? Is it that road? Where the hell is it? I can't go down the stairs. This is so annoying. That rain presses the screen. Now I'm soaking wet. Ugh. I can't go down there. The GPS says I should go down there. This is just a water drainage. That's not a road. Holy crap. How fucking difficult is it to find this place? I'm looking for a place. I don't know exactly where it is. Okay, thank you. No.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't have internet.
Okay. One moment. Password.
Thank you. My fingers are too wet. Thank you so much.
Hello?
Hello. I think I'm downstairs, but I can't find the exact place.
Where are you?
I'm downstairs at the shop in the corner.
I am outside Hotel Democracia here.
Oh, okay.
Bicycle.
Okay, I'll come back to Democracia. Give me 2 minutes and I'll be back there.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
You know.
I know.
Okay.
Thank you. So he went to where I was. He sent me a location and then he went to where I was. Oh, the rain made it a little bit more difficult, but this was not an easy place to find. There's not very specific directions. You could have just told me, like, if you don't have the exact address on Google, just say, when you get to the Freddy start, go up the hill and there's a building there. I'm getting wetter than I need to be. Again, talking about the Klim suit I made a review of a little while ago. It is definitely not waterproof. I'm already soaked all the way through. And it's only been raining for half an hour. Is it this guy? No? Yeah, it must be this guy. Hello? No. Hello. You're the Airbnb? Yes. Finally. Thank you. Poor guy. This was the father of the host, I think. I feel bad for making him come all the way out here in the rain, but what a... Oh, okay, this is kind of funny. Luckily, hopefully I get to dry up before tomorrow, and fingers crossed that tomorrow it won't rain. There's another biker. I think he's Danish. Hey, hey! From Denmark!
Fra Norge! Ja! Hallo Norge! Har du været ude i regnvejret? Ja. Tog du ikke en pause?
Nu er det ikke nok,
Hvad siger du?
det er ikke nok, fordi nu der kommer før.
Nå, du kom dernede fra?
Ja.
Okay, for her for en time siden, det var massivt. Det var et vandfald her. Det var fuldstændig umuligt at køre. Måske du kunne tage en pause.
Jeg har Airbnb. Airbnb i Holm.
Nå, okay. Hvor skal du hen? Skal du til... Husk også godt, fint. Til venner.
Nice.
Hej.
If you want to learn the photo in garage here.
Oh yeah, perfect.
Go without them.
Perfect, thank you so much.
Okay, no problem. Water you have there.
Oh, thank you.
If you need anything, you can call me.
What a day. This was an interesting day on the road. Now I'm soaking wet. I'm not really happy with the Klim suit when it comes to waterproofing. But now I need a shower. I hope you guys have enjoyed this episode. If you did, give me a thumbs up, click subscribe and ring the bell if you want to see what happens tomorrow. When I set course for Kosovo. That's going to be interesting. I don't know anything about Kosovo. The only thing I know that is my dad was there as a UN police officer in the 90s. But I don't know anything else. It's gonna be interesting to see. Oh, let me give you a tour. It's actually pretty cool. It's a nice room. And then bathroom. Yeah. Students. A living room with some sort of a kitchen, if you can call it that. And even a little terrace with flowers on it. And pickled olives. That's a nice view. Huh. Well, I guess I will see you in the next episode then. Peace. Ooh. That Danish guy that I met on the road, he had to stop because the roads were just flooded and it was too dangerous for him to continue. So he just stopped and had a bite to eat. What an interesting day.